Saan tayo punta ngayon?
Kmart.
Kmart because Will Greg got perfect in spelling.
Yes!
So as a reward, magpipizza kami. At dahil nga Friday ngayon, di ba, sa Little Caesars, meron silang promo na $5 pizza. Ay, 6 na pala. Pag regular day, $11. Ngayon na Friday, $6 lang. As a treat, congratulations! Nandito na tayo, malapit sa airport. Aeroplano.
Two-way.
Airlines.
Ganda ng view dito.
Is that Tier Series Airlines or something?
That's two-way.
Huh?
Two-way.
Kaya malalaman mo talaga that you're in Guam because napapalibutan siya ng dagat. Kasi
Is it
Guam is an
Indonesia
island.
or Philippines?
That's Korean.
Korean? Oh, that's good.
What airline is that?
Two-way.
And also this one, the Pepsi thing is Korean Airlines.
It's like Pepsi.
Yeah, Pepsi Airlines.
Pepsi.
Okay, slow down. Nandito na kami sa Kmart. Sabi ko, meron na silang Halloween design display. Buti hindi ganun kahaba yung pila. So, Greg is meeting his classmate. So, ang technique namin dito, babayad ako, ay si Watson nasa pila na para makasave ng time. Okay, so what you will choose? Diet?
7-Up.
Oops.
PPCC.
Paano natin ito maubos?
Guys, this is pepperoni,
Anyway.
so...
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's pepperoni.
Wow.
And then also this one.
Also?
Yeah, I'm eating cheese pizza.
Both? You see?
Hey, why not this one first?
One pepperoni, one cheese. Wow. Ooh.
Mom, this is my Doritos OC Halloween costume. You want another?
So 1, 2, 3.
Donna is addicted to This is what I see when I was 5th.
Ilan kayang calories nito? Isa lang?
Yeah.
Ito. Nabili na kami ng weighing scale. What a big spider.
What's your first straw?